Conwin here with another Beyblade unboxing. Today we have Poison Zurafa S130MB. At least that's what I think it is. Let's open the name. Let's open this package. Oh, you bam! Oh crap, he bent it. Freaking British ammo. So yeah, this is Poison Zurafa. So let's get started to unboxing. I need my... No, I don't need anything. Oh, yeah. Okay. So this is Poison Zurafa S130MB. It's purple. I love it. Sorry, my parents yelling at my little brother because he didn't pass Beyblading school. So let's look at the parts. So this is Poison Zurafa S130MB. So face bolt and an energy ring is Zurafa. No, yeah, energy ring. This fusion reel is Poison. This paint job is really sexy. Okay. S130. Spin track. Performance set. MB. Metal ball. Lead. So let's assemble it. So this is Poison Zurafa 6130MB. I just wanted this for the metal ball. And the sick paint job. So let's go test metal. Poison Zurafa S130MB. Yeah, defense type. Just stand there in the middle. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe to my awesome channel and my awesome video. Also, check out Simply Lucky Kuyoya's and Exotic King channel is in my featured channels list. In my channel. Yeah. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Call out.